Wow, this is kind of fun. Let's do some more, shall we? Get under, this is a sharper edge on this side than that side. Just going to loosen it, because this side I can push it all the way up. See there? Try to keep them all together. Now these are tiles that are not VAT, vinyl asbestos tiles. Those would come up really super hard. They would crack and chip. But this is a vinyl material on these tiles. And because of the mastic that they have on there, it's coming right up, isn't it? Not all tiles are going to be this easy to come up. Okay. Now, can you imagine if I was going to try to put an underlayment over the top of that? Now, if you're putting carpet right over this, and if these tiles are tight enough, you can go over them, but you've got to make that decision. Don't just take them up and then talk to a tile guy, because he might say, oh, the glue that I use is not going to attach and adhere properly to this black tile mastic. Why did you pull those tiles up? Well, I didn't know. I saw Joe do it one time, and well, yeah, you saw me do it one time, but maybe you didn't hear all the important facts that I was talking about on my videos concerning this tile, what I was doing, because I'm not installing carpet on this floor. Okay? So whatever you do, you might want to get all the information first before you make up your mind. Get all the information. And that's why sometimes I talk a lot on my videos, because the more I talk, the more you learn. At least that's my theory. I give you as much information as possible. Okay, so that you can make a good decision on your project. Because as I said, not two projects are ever the same. I don't know. One tile happens to be a little bit stickier than another. Most of this is coming up nice though, isn't it? Look at that. I may not have to use that sweeping compound at all when I get done. In fact, if I can remove all this stuff, I won't have to. With my test that's being done in the other room, of which you need to watch on my channel, I'm doing a test to see what I can do about getting this glue off of the floor. I'm not so sure I'm going to be able to do it. Man, this is hard work. Holy cow. You know, I'm working here all by myself. And I don't necessarily need any workers to help me, especially because it's going up so easy by myself. So I'm showing you, if I can do it, you can do it. You can do it by yourself. You can watch these videos. You can have a helper, a friend come over and help you with your project, whatever. I'm here for you. Kaboom. You know what I'm going to do next, don't you? Here was the dustpan, and because it's got a rubber end on it, I'm just going to kind of clean this up. I'm not going to sweep up this floor just yet. Take the back side, my dustpan, and I'm going to kind of wipe this stuff up. It's going to keep my dust to a minimum. Especially if you're working inside a livable house. Say somebody's living there and you're working in a back bedroom or something. You can keep the dust down, keep your ceiling fans off, Keep your air conditioner off, let's say. You can open up one of your windows if you want. You know, let some air in, whatever. That's all I'm going to do to this floor for now. Oh, my nose is running again. There. That's almost as good as sweeping up the entire floor. I'm not going to sweep it because I don't want that dust to go everywhere. And I can just put this right over here in these tiles for right now. Okay. Now let's see. What am I going to do next? It's been close to 15 minutes. I'm going to go back in that floor. We've got to make some final decisions as to what we're going to do next. And if you don't have yourself a nice construction light like this, you need to get one. I've talked to you about it before. This is a 500 watt halogen, and they sell them 300 and 250. But why would you want to get the 300 or 250? This one puts out way more light. You can adjust it however you want, tighten that up. Here's the on-off button right there. It's actually quite good. And for my videos, I like to just kind of direct it straight up or something, kind of off to the side or in a different room or something. It kind of helps. Plus, you know, for your projects, there'll be many a time that you're going to need one of these, especially if you're working up underneath the sink, let's say, or whatever. Okay, you got to get one. This was less than 20 bucks, and if you really shop around, you might even get it close to $13 or $14. Look around and get one.